Hi friends, most people think they have to change their food to lose weight. But what if you only changed how you eat it? In this video, I'm sharing a full day of eating using everyday Indian food, breakfast, lunch and dinner. I will show you simple ways to build your plate, manage portions and add more protein. Same approach I follow in my weight loss coaching. I usually start my day with warm CCF tea, cumin, coriander and fennel. It really helps in digestion and helps reduce bloating. After waking up, if you feel bloated, you can try this. After this, breakfast feels lighter and easier. I like to keep breakfast simple so that you can pick what works for you. Some days I go for this masala veggie omelette. I love starting my day with something savory and protein packed. It keeps me full and gives me energy to power through the morning. It also keeps my blood sugar stable until the next meal. Plus, it's my staple breakfast because it takes just 5 minutes to make and is really tasty. I like to pair it with extra veggies for fiber and gut-friendly benefit too. From this serving, we can get 20 to 22 grams protein. It's simple, filling, and keep me full for a long time. On days I want to eat something lighter, I make this chia yogurt bowl. It's light, protein-packed, and also keeps me full till lunch. The chia and yogurt give steady energy and fiber for gut health, and it only takes a couple of minutes to prep. This slow digestion, so your blood sugar stays steady. Fruits are tasty, but too much in the morning can spike glucose, so I like to add extra veggies. More fiber, more volume, and it still keeps you full. It's simple, gut-friendly, and perfect for weight loss. I like to add a few toppings. 1 tablespoon pomegranate for a bit of natural sweetness and antioxidants, roasted peanuts for crunch and extra protein, and sunflower seeds for healthy fats. It's refreshing, gut-friendly, still gives you good protein. And the best part, it's meal prep friendly. You can make it ahead and keep it in the refrigerator and enjoy on the busy weekdays. Now let me show you my favorite part, lunch. To most of us, Indian food is comforting, delicious and honestly very nourishing. In my family, we want to eat Indian food every day and that's completely okay. You don't need special diet food to be healthy. Just clean ingredients and a special structure. I start with veggies. Today it's bhindi or okra and some salad. I like to fill half of my plate with veggies. It's filling, fiber-rich, keeps me full with fewer calories. Next, of course, dal after veggies. It adds extra protein and micronutrients without overloading calories. Next, add your protein. I am using soya chunk masala today. Finally, a small portion of grains for energy. Enough to fuel my body, but not too much. This keeps the meal satisfying and weight loss friendly. You can change the vegetables, protein or grain on different days. In my health coaching program, I have seen weight loss becomes easier when meals are simple and familiar. Balanced food like this support digestion, energy and long-term health. If you want more structure and personal guidance, you can check my website. Details in the description box below. Now let's move to a lighter and comforting dinner. Eating early helps digestion, keeps you comfortable and supports weight loss while you enjoy a peaceful evening. Dinner is all about keeping things light and comfortable. Most of the days, I go with a high-protein chilla with veggie stuffing. They're filling but not feel heavy at night. If you are new to my channel, there are lots of chilla recipe here. If you have not seen them, I'll leave the link here, and also you can check the description. Tonight, we have simple moong dal chilla. It's a very easy and quick recipe. Blend the lentils, mix the ragi or finger millet powder, add spices and your veggies, mix well, then cook. Ready in minutes. Weight loss doesn't have to feel stressful. Simple food eaten mindfully really adds up. Protein keeps you full, fiber supports digestion, and it's light enough for weight loss while still being satisfying and delicious. On some days, specifically in winter, I go for a comforting chicken soup. I am using chicken breast and lots of mixed veggies. This serving has roughly 22 to 24 grams of protein and about 190 calories. So it's filling, gut-friendly, and perfect for a light dinner while supporting weight loss. And if you want the full detailed recipe, I'll be sharing it in my next video. Easy, quick, weight loss friendly dinners coming next Sunday. If I had to pick just one meal for good health and weight loss, I would choose this. Yes, it's really that good. Alright, did you see how weight loss can be simple with everyday food? Step 1. Hydrate your body. Step 2. Start your day with a protein-rich savory breakfast. Step 3. Be mindful at lunch, following portion control. And step 4. Finish with a light, early dinner. If you can remember these 4 simple habits, you don't need any complicated diets to see weight loss results. If you are new to this channel, subscribe for more healthy, easy and Indian recipes. I post a new video every Sunday. And if you think it could help someone in their weight loss journey, I'd really request you to share it. The more we share, more we can support each other and build a healthier community together. Next Sunday, I'm planning a video on easy, light weight loss dinner ideas. If there is anything specific you want to see, don't hesitate to comment. I'm always here for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next Sunday. Bye bye. Take care.